Hello everybody, welcome back once again. Today I'll be showing you how to prepare this delicious Ghanaian light soup. This light soup, you can practically have it with your rice, your banku or fufu. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So in my fresh ingredients here, I have red bell pepper, onion, fresh tomatoes, and fresh red chili. So what I'll be doing is to boil all these ingredients together. I'll just add them to my pan. As you can see already on the stove, I added water, so I just add all the ingredients into it, cover this, and then I'll allow it to cook for 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to blend all together. And then here I have my smoked lamb, and also I have smoked turkey wings. Please feel free to use any protein of your choice. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm using. And then here I have ginger, I have black pepper and cloves. I'll soak them in the water. I have salt and negro pepper. I also have here my iadan fruit, prekese. In Ghana we call it prekese. And then here I have okro, green chili, I have shrimp seasoning, onion and chili pepper. And then after that, I'm going to take a look at my boiling ingredients. As you can see, it is cooked. I'm going to blend it off camera. And then in my pot, I added the meat, the smoked lamb and the smoked turkey wings. And then I just added my iadan fruits. Then I add the seasoning cube. After that, I will just add salt. And then I'll be adding part of the blended ginger, the black pepper and the cloves. And I've already blended my pepper, the tomatoes. I'll just go ahead and add to the meat. And then I will mix all together. And after that, I'll just cover it and allow it to marinate for about 5 minutes before placing it on top of the cooker. So it's been 5 minutes now, and I'll just place it on the fire. I will cover and let it cook for additional 5 minutes because I want my meat to be well marinated. And then after that, stir it. And then I'll be rinsing my blender that I use in blending the veggies. I will just rinse the water and then add it to the meat. After that, I will add additional cup of water. Remember, this is light soup, so you want this soup to be as light as possible. Or you can just do it to your taste or to the texture that you want. And after that, after adding the water, I'll just cover this and allow it to cook on a medium heat. I add my negro pepper. So if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, you are highly welcome. Please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button. It is absolutely free to subscribe. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So it's been cooking now for about 20 minutes. As you can see, the soup has reduced. And then at this point, I'm going to be adding in my okro. Some people call it okra. And I will allow it to cook for 5 more minutes. And here we are. The soup has been boiling for 5 minutes now. I'm just going to go ahead to add the rest of my ingredient, which is the fresh pepper. And I don't want this pepper to be overcooked, so I will just let it cook for additional 2 minutes and the soup will be ready. So I just added my peppers and the basil leaf. The basil leaves give the soup a very good and delicious aroma. And then I'll let it cook for 2 more minutes and it's ready to be served. So this is the soup. You can have this with your banku, with your white rice or your fufu or anything of your choice. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share this video, and don't forget to leave a comment, hit the notification bell, that way you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. See you all in my next one. Remain blessed.